In this video, I'll show you how to fix this particular part of error. So if you have encountered this error in your JavaScript error has occurred in the main process, and I will show you 7 steps on how to fix it. So first things first, head over to your settings and enter your apps. Go right here into your installed apps and then locate in here for Microsoft Visual C. So for example, let's just click onto the search bar right here in order to search for that particular application. So let's search for visual, and in here you can see this. So what you can do is you can just head over and then just click onto this more option, click onto this modify. Then make sure to agree to the terms of condition of your actual Microsoft. From in there, click onto this repair option that you can see right here in order to repair this particular application. So once you have done that, you should be able to fix it. Now, next thing that we can do is we can open our task manager. So head over and then open it and search for it into your search bar system. Now, once your task manager is open, you can see in here all of the tasks that are open right now. So what you can do is just click onto this search bar right around here and search in here for Discord. So this error is typically from Discord, and if you have any error associated to Discord, just head over and then end those tasks that we have from there. Next thing that we can do is to just search for Discord right here, and if you have it installed, just head over and uninstall your Discord program into your actual app. So you should be able to see an uninstall option from there in order to uninstall it. Next thing we need to do is we need to head over again to our search bar and search in here for CMD. Now in here, just make sure to run as an administrator and then follow the prompts. Now from your CMD, make sure to input gp update slash force. Then after that, click on enter and then make sure that it's actually been processed, and once it's done, it should be able to fix that particular problem. So we revert here into our search bar or start menu and search in here for services. Now, once you have searched for services, make sure to open it. And then from in there, you should just locate the quality Windows audio video experience service. So here's the services. So from in there, just scroll down to the queue part, or you can also just search for it in order to locate it right around here. Now, once you have actually saw it, just head over and click on it. Here it is right around here. So what we can do is double click it. As you can see, it's at the manual. Double click it in order to click on the startup type and make sure that it's set to automatic. After that, click on apply and then click on OK. Last thing we can do is we can reinstall Discord. Visit their actual website, which is discord.com, and then after that, click on this download option. Then click on this download option for Windows, depending on to your actual OS or operating system. Then once you have downloaded it, make sure to install it. After that, restart your computer in order to finalize all of the fixes that we have applied. So that's how you fix that JavaScript error. Hope we helped.